We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest, and I'm here with the whole Washington grown
The entire gang's here.
I know, I love it. We have Val and Tomas and Chef Laurent Zarate. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's so great to be here.
Today.
So good.
Washington apples, delicious, right? And Washington always does them perfectly. Yes. Does anyone have a favorite?
I don't have a favorite apple type because I'm an equal opportunity apple muncher. But I do have one of my favorite episodes was being able to drive the tractor. Do you remember that?
I do.
And I didn't get your toes.
He still has his toes.
I survived.
She's driving a tractor. So, oh, how fun. I know we get to do some fun things, and we got to...
No, I missed that. I wish you'd take me on the field trip with you guys.
My flavor, though, we did macarons.
Macaron, yes.
Macarons.
Parisian macaron, but they
Yeah.
are macaron,
Yeah.
right? It's delicious. We are very fortunate to have them here.
Yeah.
The owner is an alumni of our program at the college.
That's
so good for her.
awesome.
Yeah, I know. It's great.
Yes.
It's beautiful. It's a full circle.
Yeah, do you feel proud?
I do feel proud
Good.
of having students being entrepreneur in the community, and it's all about that.
Well, speaking of you teaching people how to cook,
Yep.
Tomas used your recipe
Thank
when you
you,
were
Thomas.
out in the woods. Tell us
Yes,
about that
indeed.
with your daughter.
Yes, we went on a little camping trip to cook some incredible Washington-grown dishes, and I said, last year you made this incredible tart.
Yes.
And I said, can we repurpose that? And can we do that out when you're camping?
In the wild.
Yes. And so we did. It could use some tweaks here and there, but it ended up working out pretty good.
Better you than me for camping. I don't know about Val, but I am not a camper.
Ditto on that front.
Camping is maybe a one night at the hotel. That's camping,
And so it was fun to just spend some time with her, to go out there, have a good time in the wilderness, and to eat great food,
Some
too.
good food.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so let's go ahead and take a look at your little adventure in the woods.
Hey everyone, Tomas here, and I'm with my daughter Anna Lucia, and we're camping in the Washington wilderness.
And today we're making an apple tart with Cosmic Crisp apples.
So let's get to it. There we go. That's good. So there you go.
Oh, I'm so proud of you, Thomas, and your daughter.
What was funny was last year when we were here, you made that tart for us, and I actually recommended. I was like, hey, maybe we can throw some cranberries on that.
I love the variation, and
that's what I did.
That's what recipes are for. I always
Did
say,
you notice all the butter?
Oh, that's
Right?
important.
That's right up
It's
your alley.
important. It's important. Better with butter.
Right.
Better with butter.
I like to camp, so I am excited to
Try this?
give the apple tart a
Good.
try
Yeah.
out in the wild.
And
you can do it too.
And you did it with a grilled barbecue just
Right.
because of fire restrictions?
Exactly. A lot of times here in the Northwest, wildfires are prominent. But a lot of these can be used on a campfire
for
if
sure.
you can, especially with all the foil and stuff that we're
Yeah,
using.
foil, a cast iron pan,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Exactly.
Good.
What a great way to showcase Washington apples.
Well, thanks, Laurent.
Out.
That was a good
Yeah.
Should I call you Chef Thomas?
idea. Let's see the next ones first.
No.
Thanks for sharing.
Oh, it was our pleasure.
To get the recipe for this apple tart, visit us at wagrown.com.